welcome back to Free From Lifestyle. Tonight I'm going out. We're just going to pop out to basketball training, so I need a quick and easy dinner. So this is when the slow cooker comes in super handy. I'm making a pasta bake and it's going to be super creamy, even though it's got no dairy and of course no gluten. So this is going to be my chicken and pepperoni pasta bake. Let's get cooking that. This is so easy to make. If you don't like cooking, then this is probably the one for you. And when I say slow cooking, it's going to be quick because we're going to put it on high. So I've got in here chicken breast. You could use chicken thighs. I've got 2 chicken breasts because 2 of us are going to be eating this tonight. And on my plate that I have just prepared, we've got some pepperoni. You could use chorizo if you prefer that. I've got some sun-dried tomatoes here, paprika, red pesto, oregano, a little bit of garlic paste, and then some spinach. I'm using frozen spinach, so I'm going to put it in at this stage. If you're using fresh, then I will tell you later when you would put that in. So in goes all of my ingredients. So just giving that a little mix to combine those flavours. I think this is a great combination. The creamy part comes later. All we need to do is pop this on high for an hour minimum. I'm going to be out longer than that, so I'm just going to cook it a little bit longer. The liquid that we need is some chicken stock. So at this stage, we're going to add 500 ml of chicken stock. Woo! And this is literally a 1-pan dish. So we're going to cook the pasta in here later. It's so easy and simple. This has got to be the quickest dinner to prepare. You could also put this on low if you're going to work in the day. That would work as well. So on to slow cook. I've just returned home and I've popped my pasta in. I would have used penne, but I haven't got any, so it's macaroni that's gone into here, but it doesn't matter, whatever pasta you've got or whatever you fancy. There's still lots of liquid in there, so that will be absolutely fine. Let's pop that on. Probably take another 10-15 minutes on high, I'm guessing. So whilst that pasta is cooking, I've just popped into here about a largest teaspoon of corn flour, and then I'm going to use double the amount of water to make this smooth, and so that we can add that in. That's just going to help thicken the sauce that we've created for my pasta. And then to add the creaminess, I'm adding Via Life, and this is called Creamy. So this is a dairy-free alternative to cream cheese. If you're not dairy-free, then go ahead and put some cream cheese in. You could also use some double cream into this, whatever you fancy really, but that is going to make all the difference. Give that a good mix now the water's in. Now we just add this in. Give that a good mix. That's going to help just thicken that sauce up around the pasta and the chicken. Oh, this looks lovely. Looking forward to dinner tonight. Saturday night. Gonna have a nice glass of white wine with this. It's looking so yummy. And lastly, I've just got that tablespoon of dairy-free cream cheese. That a good mix around as well. And this is going to create a lovely creamy sauce. It looks good to serve now. Lovely moist sauce around that pasta. And then we've got the spinach, the sun-dried tomatoes, pesto. There's loads of flavour going on in here. Let's dish that up. Absolutely delicious pasta. This was so easy to do, and it's more or less just cooked itself. All I've had to do is add those few bits in at the end. So how convenient is this meal?